to make a flower crown.
Yeah, they're gonna. Yes.
Step 1. Get some creative paper. Step 2. Cut out some flower shapes.
They are mine.
Ouch. Step 3. Get a paper plate and cut slits and then open them up and then She's an idiot.
You're an idiot.
Step 4. Wear your crowns to fancy occasions like parties. Yeah. So you do all of that and you'll get the best friends ever.